So we're still in Logic. I've got the original loop imported here, and I've found its original tempo. It's 122. This is untreated, untime stretched, and it's not the Rex file. So it's just the raw WAV that was taken from the original record. So it's a raw sample. All I've done is trim it, and it's looping. That's all I've done. If we want to use this at a different tempo, yes, we could use Rex files. Yes, we could use time stretching. We could use another application like Ableton or Reason and Record. But if you want to use Logic, or you want to use Cubase, or you want to use Ableton to some extent, you can use a method that splits the samples up and spans them across your keyboard using a soft sampler. Now, this was a real favourite of mine with a lot of students, especially in my one-to-one lessons. They really enjoy doing this because it gives you MIDI playback of each slice. So all you've got to do to complete this method is select the sample, and this is obviously Logic specific. Go to the audio in the mini menu here, and see this convert regions to new sampler track. Now it's going to analyze it. It's going to say transient markers, and I'm going to want to start it from C0, and we're going to hit OK. And there we go. We've got our MIDI. It's muted the original part. If we play this back, that's looping. And if we look at the MIDI part, you can see that it's playing it from C-2, in fact, all the way up to C0. And these are individual slices. And you can play these on the keyboard, or you can just play back the MIDI as intended. Now, the great thing about this is that you can just turn that off. You can move the slices around for alternate takes on your loop. And you can copy these, and you can duplicate them. To make fills. And that's really easy, and it works really well with disco grooves, it works well with musical grooves, it works well with even vocals. You can try this in Ableton with Slice to MIDI, and you can try it in Cubase as well. So hopefully one of these methods will be useful to you, and if you've got any other methods that you like and that you use, please put them in the comments. So I'll speak to you all soon, and as usual, if you've got any requests for future screencasts or tutorials, please post them in the comments.